Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. On today's quick video, I'm going to be showing you how to access the service interval on your Hyundai Tucson. So first off, press the home button here. Then you want to look for vehicle, which is in settings here. And then vehicle. And then scroll down to convenience. And then click on here for service interval. And as you can see, my service is due in 2,286 miles or 259 days. Obviously that's going to come first distance because I got this car from new and it's currently done 7,722 miles. So yeah, if you guys want to know how to access your service interval or know when your service is due, then follow these steps and you're good to go. Don't be ripped off, guys. If you like this video, remember to smash the like button and subscribe to the channel for more. If you guys want to see more Hyundai Tucson content, let me know in the comments down below and I'll make that happen. I've not had this car long, I've only had it since July, but I know a few of you guys definitely like my Ford videos, so if you prefer me to start a new adventure on the Hyundai, then yeah, let me know in the comments. Nice one for watching, thank you for checking it out, and I'll catch you guys later.